Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a huge, hidden problem in healthcare and its surprisingly simple solution.
Let's start with a number. At any given moment, this many patients have an infection they got while receiving care.
It's called a healthcare-associated infection, or HCAI, and it's a major, often hidden threat to patient safety.
The impact is severe. HCAIs lead to longer hospital stays, increased costs, and tragically, many preventable deaths. The WHO calls it a hidden problem that no country has solved yet, not the wealthiest, not the poorest. And the burden is not shared equally. Infection rates in ICUs can be over 3 times higher in developing countries.
So how do these infections spread so easily in places that are literally designed for healing?
Infections travel on a 5-step journey, with the hands of healthcare workers acting as a superhighway for germs.
But if hands are the problem, they are also the solution. This whole chain of transmission is entirely preventable.
There are 2 main methods. While we all know soap and water, alcohol-based hand rubs are now the gold standard.
And here's why. They're faster, more effective, and can be used right at the patient's bedside. No sink needed.
Which begs a critical question. If this solution is so simple and effective, why is it still a global problem?
Well, the challenge isn't a lack of knowledge. It's really all about the human factor.
Things like understaffing, a heavy workload, and even skin irritation mean this critical step can get missed.
So how do you change behavior on a global scale? You get creative, which is exactly what the WHO did.
And this strategy is genius. It uses the 5 Ps of marketing to make hand hygiene easy, accessible, and routine.
But this new approach also includes an often overlooked partner in safety, and it might surprise you.
That partner is you, the patient. Patient empowerment is now seen as a key part of creating safer care.
But let's be real. Would you feel comfortable asking your doctor or nurse to clean their hands? It feels awkward. A WHO survey found the vast majority of patients would, especially if healthcare workers simply invite the question. This shows that when the door is open for participation, patients are ready and willing to step right through.
Your voice matters. A polite question isn't an accusation. It's a contribution to the team effort for safety.
So here's the takeaway. You can be an active participant in your own safety with these very simple steps.
So, we've gone from a massive global problem right down to a personal, empowering action you can take. Which leaves us with a final thought. Your participation can literally help save lives. Will you be ready to play your part?